Ready to unlock the secrets to a smooth Allchinabuy checkout? Let's dive in. First, browse Allchinabuy and add all the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart by clicking the Add to Cart button for each item. Once you've added everything, click the shopping cart icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your shopping cart. Review your cart carefully, make any necessary adjustments to quantities, and then click the Proceed to Checkout button, which will take you to the checkout page. Now, enter your shipping address, including your name, street address, city, state, zip code, and country. Also, provide your contact information, like your email address and phone number. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid shipping delays. Next, select your preferred shipping method. Consider factors like delivery time and cost when making your decision. Different carriers will have different prices. Choose your preferred payment method. Allchinabuy typically offers various options like credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Select the one that works best for you. Before finalizing, carefully review your order summary. Double-check the items, quantities, shipping address, and total amount to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click the Place Order or Confirm Purchase button to complete your transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully checked out.